In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Acuity Scheduling with Mailchimp step by step so you can connect your booking system to your email marketing and start collecting and syncing contacts more efficiently. This is a really useful setup if you want to grow your audience, automate follow-ups, and keep all of your client information organized in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Acuity Scheduling. Once the page loads, sign into your account and open your scheduling dashboard. This is where you'll manage your appointment settings, forms, and integrations. Before connecting Mailchimp, it's a good idea to make sure your intake form is ready, because that's where you can collect the information you want to send to your email list. From the Acuity dashboard, click on Intake Form Questions. Here, you can create or edit your form, add a form name, and write a description so it's clear to your clients what the form is for. Then start adding your questions. In this example, I'm selecting a checkbox type question, which is great for multiple choice style responses or consent options. If the question is required, just check the required box so users must answer it before submitting their booking. Take a moment to review the questions and make sure your form is set up exactly the way you want before moving on. Once your intake form is ready, the next step is to connect Mailchimp. From the Acuity dashboard, click Integrations. Scroll down until you find Mailchimp, then click Setup. Acuity will ask for your Mailchimp API key, so we need to generate that inside your Mailchimp account first. Open Mailchimp in a new tab and log in. After you're in, go to the Profile area in the top right corner, then click Profile. From there, look for Extras in the drop-down menu and click API Keys. On the API Keys page, click Create a Key. Give the key a name that helps you remember what it's for, then click Generate Key. Mailchimp will create your key, and now you can copy it. Make sure you copy the full key carefully, because even one missing character can stop the connection from working. Now go back to Acuity Scheduling and paste the API key into the Mailchimp setup field. After that, click Connect to Mailchimp. If the key is correct, Acuity will connect successfully and move you to the next step. Now you'll need to choose the audience you want to sync to, then select the list you want new contacts added into. This part is important because it controls exactly where your Acuity booking contacts will go inside Mailchimp. After selecting the correct audience and list, review everything one more time, then click Save, and that's it. Acuity Scheduling and Mailchimp are now connected. From this point on, you can use your intake form and integration to help organize contacts and build your email marketing workflow more smoothly. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.